The living room was quiet except for the sound of Melissa scrolling on her phone. Suddenly, she gasped. Oh my gosh, this is it. The invisible challenge. Everyone's doing it. Her roommate, Kayla, groaned from the couch. Not another one. Didn't you almost sprain your ankle during the bottle flip trend? That was a warm-up, Melissa said proudly, already grabbing her tripod. This time, it's foolproof. You just act like you're invisible. Easy. Funny. Vira Kayla sat up, sighing. Fine. But I'm recording this. If you face plant, it's going online. Melissa ignored the warning. She adjusted the camera, smoothed her hair, and whispered, Okay, showtime. She pressed record and stepped into character. With exaggerated stealth, she tiptoed past the camera, lifting her knees high like a cartoon burglar. She crouched dramatically, peeked around the lamp, and whispered, They can't see me. Kayla snorted. Yeah, because you're totally invisible in neon pink leggings. Melissa shot her a glare, but stayed in character. She threw in a few over-the-top dance moves, pretending to weave through invisible obstacles. The performance was ridiculous, like a mix between a bad magician and a mime, but she was committed. Finally, she lined herself up for the grand exit. With theatrical flair, she spread her arms, puffed out her chest, and strutted toward the sliding glass door, which, unfortunately, was closed. Bang! The sound reverberated through the room. Melissa froze. Her nose squished against the glass. The tripod wobbled dangerously as Kayla burst into uncontrollable laughter. Melissa stumbled backward, rubbing her forehead. Ow! Why didn't anyone tell me it was shut? Kayla was crying with laughter. You're invisible, not psychic. Oh my God, the sound you made it was like a cartoon anvil. Melissa turned to the camera, trying to salvage her pride. Okay. That was just part of the routine, a comedic twist, but her red forehead betrayed her. Kayla rolled on the couch, wheezing. Girl, you didn't disappear, you just reappeared on the glass. By the next morning, the clip was everywhere. Kayla had uploaded it with the caption, POV, the door didn't tee. Get the memo, she was invisible. Comments poured in. That door has more screen presence than most actors. She's invisible to us, but not to physics. You can hear the moment her dignity left the room. Even worse, people began duding the video, adding sound effects. Some edited in the Minecraft oof noise. Others added dramatic orchestra hits as Melissa collided with the door. One popular version replaced the thud with a car crash sound. By the weekend, Melissa was famous, but not for invisibility. She had become the face of every meme involving failed magic tricks, awkward entrances, and clumsy people nicknamed her the Transparent Avenger at work. Her coworkers teased her. One taped a sign to her cubicle that read, Door Awareness Campaign Ambassador. Even her mom called, chuckling, Honey, I saw you on Facebook. Should I get you a helmet? Melissa tried to laugh it off, but deep down, she was mortified. I wanted to look cool, she confessed to Kayla. Not like someone who lost a fight with her own apartment. Kayla grinned. Look on the bright side, you actually nailed the challenge. Everyone saw you, and now you're unforgettable. Melissa sighed, rubbing her still sore forehead. Great! I wanted to be invisible. And now the entire internet sees me. The glass door, meanwhile, remained exactly where it was. proudly bearing a smudge that looked suspiciously like Melissa S. Knows print, a permanent reminder of her attempt at viral glory.